Craving your favorite African movies and shows on a bigger screen? This video reveals 2 simple ways to get Waka TV running on your laptop in minutes. First up, the easiest method, your web browser. Open Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Type waktv.com into the address bar and hit enter. The Waka TV website will load instantly. Now, you can browse through the available content or use the search bar to find a specific movie or show you're looking for. Click on the title and start enjoying Waka TV right in your browser. Quick, simple, and no downloads needed. But what if you prefer the Waka TV app experience? That's where an Android emulator comes in. I'm using BlueStacks, but there are other emulators available like Nox Player or Old Player. Once installed, open the Google Play Store within the emulator. Search for Waka TV in the Play Store and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the Waka TV app within the emulator. Now you have the full Waka TV mobile app experience on your laptop. Log in, browse, and enjoy your favorite shows. And that's it. Choose the method that works best for you, and happy watching.